Hi and welcome back to FunSize Piano. In this video, I will be telling you about the notes on the piano and where to find them. I hope you enjoy! I created a chart of the main 7 notes on the piano. These notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. These notes are repeated multiple times on the piano. If you broke the piano down into sections, you would see the repetition from C to B multiple times. On the piano, this is one of the sections from C to B. These are the 7 notes. This is C, this is D, this is E, this is F, G,